Hello YouTube, I just got done rebuilding this Subaru motor, put new fresh head gaskets in, and I go to start it and it won't start. Checked the starter, I didn't think it was the starter, but I checked it anyway. Checked the grounds, checked the leads. After about 2 hours of diagnosis, jump leads, checking all the grounds over there, checking the grounds below, checking the grounds here. It turned out, when I took the intake manifold off, I broke these two bolts loose, and that was it. These are the grounds for the intake manifold. I had broken them loose, but I hadn't retightened them because I just forgot about them. But double check these. I know that's a silly thing to do, and that's totally on me, but hey, I'm the one that wasted 2 hours, not you. Also, if you want to mess with your friends, oh, don't do it. Maybe do it. Don't do it. Maybe.